Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install multiple programs with a lot of ease. At times you want to install programs but you can't easily find them, or you are distracted by a lot of ads, and the best way is just to go to one single source that have authentic programs that you can just click and install all at once. Go and search for a website called Ninite. Ninite.com. Here's the website. From this website, we can see a bunch of programs, a lot of programs that you can swiftly install on a Windows computer all at once. And the good thing is they are always auto-updated. Here we have a brief history of some of the programs that were just recently updated. For instance, this was just updated 5 hours ago. Notepad was just updated yesterday, and so many others. Now go ahead and get your pick from pick the app you want. As you can see, we have categories ranging from web browsers to messaging to media, routine, imaging, and document programs, as well as compressing programs, developer tools, utilities, file sharing. From this list, just identify the programs you want to install. For instance, I want to install Opera. I would also like to install VLC, so I'll go ahead and click on VLC. I want to install Spotify. I think the three of them are enough for me at the moment. For your case, choose the one that suits you. Now once you're done, scroll down to the second option, which is download and run your custom installer, and click on download your Ninite. And within some few seconds, it's done. Now you will receive one single file that contains all the programs. To install, just double click on it. So they're being downloaded separately. It has finished downloading. It is in the process of installing it. Be patient as it installs. Next is VLC being installed. From here you can see a summary of all the programs that are being installed on my computer. VLC is done, and now Spotify is being installed. The process has finished. Now because it's done, go ahead and click on close. Now let's go and confirm if indeed all the programs that we downloaded have been installed on the computer. And the first one was Opera, the second program was VLC, and the third program was Spotify. And as you can see, Spotify is here. You realize that when you open these programs, you can start using them instantly. Now here it is, the Opera browser is ready for use. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.